If your sending privileges on DoorDash have been restricted, you can follow these steps to restore them. This guide will help you understand the process clearly. Step 1. Review your account status. Check your DoorDash account to understand why your sending privileges were restricted. Look for any notifications or messages that explain the issue. Step 2. Contact DoorDash support. Reach out to DoorDash customer support through the app or website. Provide them with your account details and ask for clarification on the restriction. Step 3. Follow the instructions provided. Once you receive a response from DoorDash support, carefully follow their instructions. This may include verifying your identity or providing additional information. Step 4. Address any issues. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open a refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After you have completed the necessary steps, wait for DoorDash to review your case. They will notify you via email or app notification once your sending privileges have been restored. By following these steps, you can work towards restoring your sending privileges on DoorDash. If you encounter any difficulties, don't hesitate to reach out to support for further assistance.